The 2014 Acura RLX. The Acura RLX is a full-sized luxury sedan that sets itself apart. Its interior is beautiful, spacious, big, light, and airy. The Acura RLX features elegant styling, which gives buyers even more exclusivity luxury owners crave. You can't resist it. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.